Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to connect to Microsoft SQL Server 2019 using Amazon Corretto JDK 11. So here you can see that I have already installed Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition, and I have opened SQL Server Configuration Manager for checking on which port this SQL Server is running. So in my machine it's running on the port 49697. Also I have installed Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So here you can see this 18.4 is a minimal version used to connect SQL Server 2019. So we are going to connect books database. And also you can see that I have already installed Amazon Corretto JDK 11. So it's a clone of Open JDK 11 project. Amazon Corretto JDK 11 is a modular JDK and it's free and open source. So make sure that Amazon Corretto JDK 11 is installed. Next, very important point, make sure that you have downloaded and copied the Microsoft JDBC driver for Java Runtime Environment 11, JR11. So JR11 jar file only we are going to use to connect SQL Server 2019 using Amazon Corretto JDK 11. And here you can see that two Java programs we are going to see, two basic JDBC programs we are going to compile and run using JDK 11. So before that I am checking whether Amazon Corretto JDK 11 is installed or not. Yes, it's available in the path. So Amazon Corretto JDK 11 is available in the path. So now we go to our basic JDBC program. So this is our first JDBC program. So you can see that I have imported all the basic interfaces like result set, connection, statement, etc. So here you can see that this is the JDBC URL to connect SQL Server 2019. So we are going to connect books database. Under that we are going to connect person table. So connection driver manager dot get connection will calls the JDBC URL and establish the connection to the SQL Server 2019 database. And I have created database metadata object. Database metadata used to get the basic database information like database version, database name, etc. Next, I am fetching all the records from the person table using result set object. So person table contains two fields, name and age. So I am getting the two fields and printing all the records from the table. Next, I am printing the Java vendor details. Finally, I am closing the result set, statement and connection objects. So all this should be done inside the try catch block. So now let us compile and try to run using Amazon Corretto JDK 11. So this is the syntax used to compile and run. So first we compile. Make sure that Microsoft SQL JDBC JR11.jar is included in your class path. So I am compiling with Amazon Corretto JDK 11. Make sure that JR11.jar is included in class path. So in order to run this file also we need JR11.jar to be included in the class path. Yes, we can see that we can able to connect to SQL Server 2019 database successfully using Amazon Corretto JDK 11. You can see that database informations are got printed in first part, and all the records from the present table are got fetched and printed. Finally, I am printing the Java vendor information. So our first JDBC program using Amazon Corretto JDK 11 is successful. Next we are going to see another JDBC program. So in this JDBC program I am going to insert one record. So same connection URL we are using, make sure that connection URL is correct. And one major difference is here we are using execute update method. So execute update method, we are passing the insert query. Execute update method used to insert, update and delete the rows in the table. So I am inserting a new row and save it. Finally I am fetching all the records using result set object. After inserting, if I am fetching all the records using result set object. So now let us try to compile this second JDBC program. So same syntax, make sure that you have included jr11.jar, MS SQL JDBC jr11.jar in your class path while compiling. Also while running also make sure that this jar file is included. Yes, you can see that a new record is got inserted. So let me check using SQL Server Management Studio. Let me refresh. Yes, you can see that a new record is got inserted. So Microsoft SQL Server 2019 Express Edition connectivity using Amazon Corretto JDK 11 is successful with the help of Microsoft JDBC Driver for Java 11. So make sure that you have included the jr11.jar file in your class path while compiling and running. Also you can see that many examples are bundled with this jar file. You can make use of it.